Alright, today's video I'll be using some of my gas blowback guns. Have the AW Customs X80 something, I don't remember. And I have its clone, kinda, the Glock 18C, short stroked. It just painted. The only upgrade I have in here is a spring guide. It's also short stroke as well, like I said. And I have my oldest one, 2011 high capa. It's very old, it's breaking and stuff like that. I don't really know how, but yeah, it's kind of messed up. It's a select fire, so like that. Select fire. And I have two select fire guns today, 18 and the 2011. And then I have two extended magazines for either gun. It will be sharing a magazine with the P80 I have. The green gas I'll be using is this, made by Lancer Tactical. It has the threads on it, so I'll get the thread thing soon, so I won't have to keep refilling gas. That would be very nice. I will be putting that little valve in my magazine for this one, so it's gonna be very, very nice. And I'm gonna start with the 2011 first, so I have to reload it real quick. Okay, we'll just leave it like that at the bottom. I recently got this. I think that video will be already uploaded before this. This green gas is pretty good. And I'm gonna have switched the valve out from my Canon TP9 magazine and to put it in here. I didn't know if the threads would match, and they did perfectly. So I can use this, because if not, I would have been using my TP9 instead. Alright, that should be enough. I'm gonna just do it a little bit more just in case. Alright. Fully loaded. Yeah, I really need to paint this soon. I'm gonna just keep the slide and the trigger and that, and probably not this the same color because it's all scuffed up. I want it to look back new, so we're gonna do semi-auto first. Okay, this is horrible accuracy. Sheesh. Okay, some of the BBs are just falling out the mag. Yeah, that's not good. I haven't shot this in a while, so I might have to fix the hop up a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I've never really messed with my hop ups on my handguns. Okay, that's way better. It's empty. I think it's starting to lose gas a little bit, but that was my first time running a whole magazine and still having gas left, so that's very good. I just really can't wait to get that hose thing. I forgot what it's called. I need to get it like now today. Probably am, but I'm gonna just reload this real quick and fill the gas up. All right, let's do full auto now. If it will run. I don't know when that problem began to happen, where I will have to like force it down because it doesn't really engage right. So I gotta have this part in. I don't know, this part doesn't even work. I can shoot it without it having to be engaged. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. So they're acting right again. Okay, I don't know why one fell out, but yeah, I have to force it down. So I'm gonna have to use my middle finger to shoot. It's really wet, but this full auto in here is not really the best. Okay, we're definitely out. Oh yeah, it's starting to freeze up in there. Okay, so I think it's time to switch to another gun. So we'll just leave this out right here. I think we'll use a Glock 18 next. 18 is my favorite. Like I've never got any issues out of it. It doesn't even jam. Magazine is kind of messed up, paint wise. Dang, I still got more space, like at least 8 more. All right, so we're just gonna leave that open. I believe it's already filled, I think so. Alright, so we're a little far back, but this does have a lot of kick to it. It's pretty loud too. Still loaded up. I think this is probably the loudest one. I don't know why. It's really kind of shooting all over the place. I'm just keeping it straight. Let's see if we can hit that just right here. I can't see the BBs going out. For some reason, they're moving so fast I can't see them. I don't know why. But we got about at least 15 to 16 left. We're gonna just dump it. I'm trying to get it to like go the right way, so I don't get no misfeed. Oh, there you go. Okay. All right, so it's down. I'm trying to keep it as stable as possible. Was that, a leaf? The leaf caught me off guard. Perfect. And it's empty. It just don't lock open because it's short stroked. I think, right? Yeah, it don't lock open because it's short stroke. And the slide is very cold right here. It says all metal. Yeah, it is. This is like my favorite right here. The setup for it to switch to, oh, this ain't gonna work for this because it's up here. Okay, well, at least I got the other magazine, but the other magazine is down here, so the field line will be over here. Now I have to like have the tank thing right here. It's just like HPA, but I don't know. I feel like this handles gas a lot better than any of my other handguns. I don't know what it is about it, but it's perfect on gas consumption. I'm not even gonna fill up with gas. I'm gonna just like load about under a handful of BBs. We still got gas. Let's do a little burst. We still got gas. Are we out? Yeah, we're literally out. So I really like this magazine because it's actually made by Glock. So I do need to get more Glocks. I ain't even gonna lie. There's a 10 Glock. I'm just not really a Glock person though. I prefer to have like one of every type, but I do want another Glock. Like a I don't care which type you get, just gotta be like 10. We ran out. That's crazy. I really like this gun. Magazine is getting colder. We need to run out. I still haven't even. There's no cuts in the video, and I still haven't filled it up with gas again. We out. It's getting cold. I feel like it's getting more sluggish, but I think it can run like at least 2 magazines full. Yes, we can. It's definitely getting cold. This should be like the last shot. Okay, that was it. Okay. That was great. And I'm just like halfway. Somehow. I don't know how I did that, but we're gonna just fill it up all the way, then dump that full auto. Then we're gonna switch to the P80. Alright, I haven't run out of storage, but let's go shoot this. I remember one way I used to do it. I did like that and like I already held my finger on the trigger. I think I just double fed it. Yeah, I had like, basically, I'm gonna just show it. So you do like this, and then, like that. It started, oh, it fed everything. Oh, I thought it wasn't feeding everything. That's crazy. Look at that, it's empty. It just got so, I thought, because it was blowing all that cold air, I thought it was just like jamming. Let's try it again though. I feel like it could have been a lot better. We just use whatever's left in the magazine. You know what? Let's shoot it on this piece right here. Okay. Okay. That'll be it for this. It's cold. The gun itself is cold, very. So, ooh. See if it's gonna. Okay, there it go. Am I not even with it? 'Cause it's like kind of spitting out a little bit. Alright, we'll just see, because I don't really know. It's really cold. I probably should just let it like cool down, maybe. I don't remember what I used to do when I was younger. Oh. Why is it so sluggish? Maybe it's magazine. Maybe I need to let it cool down real quick. Because it's definitely like, there's pressure though. Let's see how far the range is though. It seems about normal. That's really weird. It became a spring powder. Let's see how it just, if it shoot normally, like how it was just shooting, it's like semi-auto wise, that means that's just really sluggish. That's crazy. What? Could have swore this was cool. Yeah, this is really, let's check the internals real quick. Oh yeah, there's no short stroke to this. It's using the Glock 18 original spring in here. But besides that, I would think it would run normally. I thought it did. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. But it's really like sluggish. Definitely the spring actually. You know what? If we can, let's switch it. Yeah, this is the setup I got. Oh, this is cold. Wow. Oh, that piece is already in there. But yeah, this used to be in here. This is made by Cow, I think. Some of the pieces used to be in the 2011. Cause I just kind of short stroked that before when that was my only full auto. Let's see if that'll work. I don't really know. Cause it got worse. Very cold. It's starting to feel kind of empty already. All right. All right. I think it's too short stroked. Ew. Oh no. Why is it bubbling? Yeah. Hope that's not broken now because it's bubbly. Well, let's just try the normal setup. I'll have to look more into that off camera later on. But original setup, I feel like it was just fine. Yeah, it was. Oh, it's not in right. Oh. Okay, I think it's in there right now. There we go. Yeah, that's weird. This is really ridiculous. This ain't working like that. Okay. Let's switch back to the normal setup though. Up. It feels so loose now with the regular spring in there. The dual recoil spring. The piece is stuck on there. This might need a new one of these pieces because it's kind of beat up. I don't really know how. Okay, it's even. You just film this lower? No, it does not. But I definitely want to get another Glock to see if it'll be interchangeable. But anyways, I'm back to the normal setup. Let's just see if it'll work. No. And I still have compression in here. I mean air in there. Cause it didn't like purged all the gas like about twice. That's so crazy. Ew, that's dirt water. This gun is amazing. Up, stuck. Whoa, that's crazy. Wow. My finger wasn't even on the trigger. I don't think. Because it got stuck like this. I was trying to put it back in semi-auto. And then by the time I got it forward, shot. Wait, can I like recreate that? I don't think I can. That was weird. Oh, it's kind of like almost how I did earlier when I was like, oh wait, when I was like this. That's kind of what it was like. Just on accident though. At least this ain't real. I would have shot my hand off. But once this gas is over, that would just be the end of the video. I'm very I want to do dual action, full auto. See if it'll work. It should. But that'll be it video. The VX80, whatever it is, I'm gonna just call it the B80, because that's basically what it is. It used to be a lot better back then. I don't know what happened now. All right. Okay, it's loaded. Okay. I did this before. Let's go on 0.5. All right. It's gonna be kind of hard though. All right. Let's shoot at this piece of wood. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Ow. Okay. Wait, it's gonna do it again. Wait. Don't want to put my hand right there. Let's see if it's. See, it won't let me push it up. But if I use my hand, it's gonna. Oh no, it's jammed. Okay. Okay, yeah, some of those bouncing back. It was from this one though. No, I'm not gonna see no marks. Oh man. Oh, I ran out of. Oh, it just did it. The heck? Ow. Why is this not shooting? This jammed? Is it gonna do the same thing? Ooh. Oh wait. What's going on? I'm gonna do that again. Cause there's still some BBs in here. I got a shot in my wrist. Right there. Kinda hurt. We're gonna switch hands this time. We're not gonna shoot that piece of wood right there. We're gonna just go from right here. Okay, you're not even shooting any BBs. I had a feeling. That was a waste. At least this was. Ooh. They both released a lot of gas. Okay. What about you? Are you empty? I'm surprised. But that's gonna be it of this video. And yeah.